The question is to find the limit. First, if we factor both the numerator and denominator, then that's going to be equal to x minus 2, x minus 3 on denominator, and 2x plus 1, x minus 3 on the numerator, right? So we can eliminate x minus 3. So this is equal to the limit as x approaches 2x plus 1 over x minus 2, right? Now, if we substitute 2 for x, then the denominator will be equal to 0, right? But not the numerator. This means that the function has a vertical asymptote at x equal 2, right? So as x approaches 2 from the left-hand side, let's pick a value of x. Let's say x is 1.9. If x is 1.9, y value, let's say this is y, okay, is equal to 2 times 1.9 plus 1, that's positive, right? Over 1.9 minus 2, this is negative. So positive over negative, that's negative. So as x approaches 2 from left-hand side, the function approaches negative infinity. Does that make sense? Now let's look at right-hand limit. As x approaches 2 from right-hand side, let's pick a value. Maybe x is equal to 2.1. So up here, if x is 2.1, what's y? Y is equal to 2 times 2.1 plus 1 over 2.1 minus 2. So this is positive over positive, right? So that's positive, which means as x approaches 2 from right-hand side, the function will approach positive infinity. Does that make sense? So what's the limit of this function right here? As x approaches 2, as x approaches from the left-hand side, it approaches negative infinity. From right-hand side, it approaches positive infinity. Different directions, right? So we can conclude that this limit does not exist.